You want to give a shout out?
Shout out.
All right, that's all the time we got, guys. All right. Gonna kill it?
Maybe. We'll see what happens.
Hey, I like titties and turbos. Where'd you get that shirt at?
I don't know. Renegade Racing.
Who's that?
I don't know. Some guys.
Never even heard of that. Turn around.
Oh, okay.
Dude, not only do I like turbos, I also like titties. Why are you garbage?
360's a no-go.
This is your car?
Yeah, that's my car.
That's pretty cool, man. What year is this?
1993.
What engine's in it?
It's got a SWAT 5.3 14.
Oh, well, never mind. Alright, I thought it was cool. What do you think about RS7s that don't have a rotary?
Depends. I respect it. What else are you putting in it?
Nah, that's fine. Nah, I was like, dude, what kind of motor is that? He's like, it's a 5-point. I was like, oh, never mind. That's not. And I just walked off. I was like, I thought it was cool.
5-point anything. Yeah, this is import line.
I thought it was cool. What kind of car is that?
I don't know. It's a Noble something. It says it on the brakes. Oh.
It does say Noble.
No, it's a.
Hey,
It's like a Lotus, but like.
I like your mustache. You win the mustache award.
Yahoo! It's a Noble M12 GTO 3R.
Do you like it?
On the plate.
I never seen nothing like this. Wait, is that Japanese? Nah, we can't do it. Can't do it. Look at this bad boy. What even is that? Hey! Hey! What is this?
It's a custom Subaru Forester.
Not no more. I like the pumpkins.
I appreciate it, man. You're the first person who's pointed those out.
Ah, dude, I pay attention. Is there a reason for his shoes?
Huh?
Is there a reason for his shoes?
When he's walking on the concrete when it's hot,
Too
it
hot
keeps
up.
your feet cool.
He's just a big old baby, pretty much.
Yeah.
Wee wee!
Some of behind the scenes footage.
What's your name?
Coop.
So we're actually giving this car away.
Giving the car away. What do you got to do to win the car?
We're gonna have a meet in the springtime.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll have some kind of competition to give it away.
Okay. Definitely, I'm down into that competition.
Yeah, our YouTube's on the back.
YouTube's on the back. Definitely.
Would you want this car?
For sure.
What if I told you we're giving it away? Yeah, just subscribe to our channel.
What's your channel?
It's on the back.
It's on the back.
Hey, is this one of your cars? No? Dude, you got nothing on this Pokemon card right here, man. How much horsepower do you think this Pokemon card adds?
I don't know. Hell of a lot.
About 100?
Yeah, that's something.
Man, dude, if I was about to race this guy, I'd start pulling Pokemon cards out.
Pokemon.
I'd drive off, man. Boost and booties. Hey, man, I like your shirt.
Thanks.
Where'd you get that?
It was at LSS.
Really? Can I see it? Boost and booties.
Who is that?
Who is that?
Sold those. Renegade Racing.
Renegade? What do you think about them?
I'm pretty happy with it.
You pretty happy with them?
Yeah, it's good quality.
Well, good thing I filmed for him.
Yeah.
these rims. That's crazy. Clean RX-7 right here.
This thing right here took us fucking 4 months to get this fitment right. Nah, just kidding, 4 hours. See this? Man. That's all I got, man.
So I just got one question.
What's up?
You trying to two-step for YouTube?
Oh, I'm always trying to two-step.
Let's hear it. What did you think about that?
It's too saucy.
What did you think about that?
I mean, it's my baby. It's my pride and joy. It's what I like to hear every day. My neighbors hate me, but I don't give a fuck.
We don't care about them.
Midnight, I'll be doing it. I just wanted to hear the sound of my people.
That thing sounded good, man.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Get out.
I've been making fun of everybody all day, but this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna be serious. All right, what can you tell me about this?
91 Nissan, tandem axle on hydraulics. Done all the paintwork and stuff myself.
You painted this yourself?
Yeah.
It's a nice paint job.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Just a double bed, cut and welded.
It's 2 beds welded together. Yeah.
Dude, talk about nose in the weeds, man. Oh, he squatted. For all you Tokyo Ghoul fans, pretty clean build. Huh, got rice? When you're in the cool cars, but your friend outdoes you.
Is that from Lowe's? Did you get these from Lowe's? Is that from Lowe's?
Yeah.
Yeah, the self-tappers too.
Yeah.
It can go lower? Lowe's. This is Gavin's Corolla. It's pretty nice, actually. So, lowered on some eBays, sorry. Come down to the garage, kept.
It is eBay's actually, yeah.
eBay? eBay special?
eBay special, most plus coilovers, you know?
You got a model on it?
Go ahead, later. I know, bro.
No, what kind of car is that?
It's 89 Corolla.
89?
AE 92.
92? I like these more than the iconic one. With the 86?
AE 86.
I like these more.
Which one was that?
This is? Never mind, I thought it was cool.
Yeah, alright.
What in tarnations? Alright, you mind telling us what we got here?
Got a 97 EK, 4-door, converted to a truck. Got airbags. I mean, pretty simple GSR swap. And, I mean, other than that, took part
This
out.
GR swap? Like
Yep.
trans and all?
Yep, trans and all.
What made you want to do something like this?
Different.
Different. I like it. I'm sure you turn a lot of heads.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, how does it ride?
Actually, rides pretty daggone good with airbags on it.
Man, you go to Camaro Fest, it's all like the same car. And then you go to like LS Fest, it's all like the same. Like, this is the stuff I like. I wish I had cooler friends. Hey, what kind of oil do you guys run?
Yep.
What kind of?
Whatever.
Cam 2?
Cam 2. Cam 2 is the way to go.
I've been running vegetable oil to burn more rice.
That's fair.
Is that a valid argument?
So when you come to these import meets, you got a lot of nice cars around here. Then you have this. I can bake pizzas out of that.
Tighter than a preacher's daughter, man. Look at this thing. I can take a nap in there, dude. Just a whole nap. Gone. Hey, Twan, where's your car at?
Yeah, I broke it.
Damn. Hey, where's your daily at?
I broke it too.
Damn. All
All right, you know what? I'll see y'all later, man.
Didn't you just put a turbo on it, though?
Isn't this your car? I'm gonna go break this too.
Dude. Dude set me out, man. Dude, that's like the cleanest car I've ever seen, man.
So long, gay boys!